Hey there, this is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, and I am very excited to show you Tuberank Jeet 6 AI, the latest and the greatest version of Tuberank Jeet. And yes, this version has a lot of AI all over the app. You will find this icon which will get you results from AI. So let's get in and take a look at Tuberank Jeet 6. The purpose of Tuberank Jeet is to give you great optimization, the best optimization for SEO for YouTube, so that when you put your videos on YouTube, you get to the top, to the best potential that your video can get. So it will recommend the best quality keywords, titles, descriptions, tags, everything that you need to get to the top. Now there is the optimize option. When you click on it, you will see the optimize box that you can keep on. Here you can enter the optimization that you have selected and click on analyze it, and Tuberank Jeet will tell you how optimized your video is currently and what you can do to make it better. Right now we have an optimization score of 0 because we have not provided a single detail. Let's get started by putting in a keyword. I already put in coffee recipes. I'm going to go with that. Then you can select the number of videos that you want to research to get ideas about this particular keyword. Now again, Tuberank Jeet has AI all over the place. So here, if you see this icon, click on it. And for example, in this particular function, it's going to suggest alternatives to the keyword that you put in. It's going to give you new topics that you can create videos on based on this keyword. So you can use these keywords as ideas. Okay, what can you research next? What can you look for next? Or you can even use them as topics. You can create videos on all these topics. These are the topics that people are searching on YouTube to find content. If you want to add them as keywords, you can click on add all keywords, or you can click on the topic that you want to add and it will be added to the optimized video bar that just opened up. Close this and let's take a look at the search. These are the results. Tuberank Jeet got them for you in just a second, and you can see that now it not just returns the videos, that is the full length videos, but also the shorts. So you can use Tuberank Jeet to research the shorts too. If you want to take a look at any of the videos, you can either right click and you can get these details. You can view the video, or you can get the thumbnail in case you want to give it to your designer and say to them, hey, can you make a thumbnail similar to this one? By the way, Tuberank Jeet now also gives you statistical analysis for the data that you have collected. So you can see details like the average statistics, where you can see the total number of likes that were collected by all these videos, the total views, the comments, the ratio of the comments to the views, and also the ratio of the views to the likes. And this information can give you an idea of the size of the entire niche. Then you also have audience sentiment, where Tuberank Jeet reads how people are reacting, and if the reactions are mostly positive or mostly exciting, it can tell you what is the overall sentiment of the particular topic that you're targeting. And this is good for branding, or if you want to create an excitement or a feeling around your brand, because you only want to target ideas or topics that have positive sentiment or positive emotion. Then finally you get a ranking score which tells you how difficult or easy it is to rank for the keyword or rank for the topic that you're targeting. And this is very helpful because many times you will find that the topic you're targeting is long tail and it's going to be easier to rank, and sometimes, like in this instance, we have targeted a very broad keyword and it is harder to rank for this. You can also see data like how many likes this video has, how many total views has it got, and how many comments does it have. And there is AI in here too. If there is a description in the video, for example, this is a short, so it doesn't have it, but this one has, you can rewrite it using AI, and you can also find keywords based on the description that this person has targeted, again from the AI. So let's say you're going to make a video which is similar to this one, honey cinnamon lattes at home. You want to give the video's thumbnail to your designer, copy it over, give it to them. Then you can just rewrite the description that they have using AI. Just a single click is all it takes. And here you got a new description. You can use this in your video right away. Or if you want to find keywords related to this description, click a button, and you've got all these keywords, all these little topics that you can target or you can feature in your videos. Now again, this information that shows you how many likes, how many views, and how many comments it has can be a great indicator to tell you the true potential of this niche. Coffee recipes, definitely a very powerful niche, but if you go for a micro niche or a less popular niche, the numbers would be different, and that would give you an idea of what kind of traffic you can get if you target that niche. Now this is also a great indicator of competition. If you see that there are videos which are perfect for what the niche is targeting and they are heavily dominating, a big gap, a big difference in rankings, you know that this could be a competitive niche and could be hard to break into. So all of that information is easy to access using Tuberank Jeet. And did you notice the button right over here next to the title? You know what? You can click it and Tuberank Jeet is going to give you alternative titles to that particular video title. Again, this is great because with this, what you can do is you can find new topics to create videos on. These are topics that people are searching for, but they're not dominated and they're not overcrowded, and you can create a video and get ranked very easily. So this is a great way to use AI inside of an SEO app. Now you can continue optimizing your own video right on the optimized screen. You can collect all the data that you want. For example, let's keep scrolling, and if I like any particular content, let's say this one, if I like this content and I want to reuse it, again, I can either copy it over entirely into my description and I can modify just a few things. I don't need to change everything. So I can just change a few things, like let's say this one. Let me remove some identification information. Let me keep most of the other stuff. Okay, this looks very doable. And then I can just click on description alternatives, and Tuberank Jeet will give me alternative description, and I can keep rewriting it as many times as I want, or I can just click copy to clipboard close and paste it here. So I have a totally new description based on the research that is done by some other person. I didn't have to start from scratch and I was able to reuse it. So this can save you a lot of time in your YouTube SEO work. Now I can also find keywords from my description. So I can click this button and I can just copy all the keywords that I want to target, close it, and right over here I have these keywords that I can use. Now remember, it's not just about AI. Tuberank Jeet can also let you use community research to find ideas, keywords, topics, whatever you're looking for. And you can, for example, click on view keywords to find the keywords that this particular video is targeting. Again, these are the keywords, these are the hashtags that it's targeting. And if you click on this one, you can find all the keywords and hashtags that this one is targeting. And then you can use these keywords and hashtags in your own content. And let me tell you, that is important because it makes your videos more discoverable. When you use the right hashtags, the right keywords in your videos, YouTube can get to you better. So you can use these keywords in your description too, to write descriptions, or you can put them in the tags section right away. And YouTube supports up to 5 hashtags in the description. So just make sure that you have up to 5. You can just copy it over like this and paste it. Usually I like to put my hashtags at the bottom of the description, but you can put them anywhere in the description you want, and YouTube will automatically detect that. Again, you can also generate new content with AI. So when you use the generate with AI topic, you can tell YouTube exactly what you're making the video on: how to make coffee without a coffee machine. For example, if you're making a video on this topic, click on generate. In just a few seconds, Tuberank Jeet will give you a list of titles to choose from, a ready-made description that you can add and modify to, a list of keywords that you can target, and a list of hashtags. That's your entire optimization done in just 3 seconds. You don't need to do more than that. If you just copy the right title over, if you copy the right description over, that's going to be enough to get you ranked. That's how easy YouTube optimization can be with Tuberank Jeet. But we don't stop there, because Tuberank Jeet is meant to take you forward so you can analyze existing videos on YouTube and find their content. For example, I'm in YouTube right now, and let's say I wanted to understand how they have optimized their YouTube video. I can just copy the URL, bring it to Tuberank Jeet, click on go, and that's it. In matter of seconds, I get everything. Information like the number of likes, the number of views they have. I can rewrite their descriptions using YouTube. I can find keywords from this description using YouTube too. I can rewrite the titles using YouTube and get title ideas. And I can also view the keywords that are being targeted by this video by clicking on the view keywords button. And I can also find the hashtags that they're targeting using the hashtags button. So you can analyze any video and you can use it very, very fast. Now remember this, if this is a video which has done everything right, all you need to do is click on get description with AI and you will get a new description based on this particular description from AI that you can use right away. So here is the new description. Again, just copy it over and you paste it. It gets pasted with all the formatting done for you. You don't need to worry about the formatting at all. Now we also have tag finder. So put in a tag. You can select the number of videos that you want to search and you get the suggested tags, the tags that have been used in videos. And again, you can use AI too. So if you want to get these alternatives from AI, absolutely possible. You get AI tags too. Then we have the hashtag finder. You can put in the hashtag that you want to find similar hashtags to, select the number of videos that you want to search, click on go, and then Tuberank Jeet will give you the hashtags that are similar to the one that you have that videos are targeting. Again, you can use the AI to get hashtags that are similar to the one that you're targeting. And you can categorize and catalog all of the resources. So Tuberank Jeet has favorite tags, favorite hashtags, favorite videos, and favorite channels. You can bring in the data that you want to look at again and again, like your favorite topics, your favorite channels, the videos that you want to follow, put them in, collect in one place, and whenever you want to come back and refer to them, Tuberank Jeet will have them for you. Now, important thing, let's go and take a look at the optimized video box again. This product does not just help you collect data, it also shows you what good optimization is. So when you click on analyze it, it gives you an optimization score and it also gives you recommendations, things that you should do to make it better. For example, in this one, let's add a title. So I'm going to go to discover right away and I'm going to just take the easy way out. Just click on the AI button, get some alternatives and use one of those. So I'll just use this one. That's it. And my title has been set. So 76%. And then it tells you what else you can do. Like there is room to add something more to the titles. You have to also add more content to the description. You can use 5 hashtags. All of the things that you can do to make this optimization perfect, Tuberank Jeet lays it out for you. And typically you would want to get a score that is above 85%. And with that in place, your videos are very well optimized to reach the top of YouTube and unlock their best traffic potential. You can upload these videos to YouTube accounts, to Vimeo, and also to Dailymotion. So in the settings, you can set up those accounts, like click on add, and then you can choose what network, what video website you want the account on, click on it, and you will be guided to add your account to Tuberank Jeet for uploading. Now, Tuberank Jeet is multilingual, not just inside the content. Yes, you can find videos, find keywords, find descriptions, rewrite things in any language you want, but you can also have the interface in English, Dutch, and Spanish. So if you want to view Tuberank Jeet in any of these languages, that's perfectly fine. You have it in Spanish here now, and I'm gonna just change back to English because that's the language I understand the best. And here we have Tuberank Jeet back in English. Let me remind you, it works with any language at all. For example, I can now search in Hindi, click on go, and it's gonna get me Hindi content just as well as it got me English content. These are the videos that are ranking for this Hindi keyword. So that's how Tuberank Jeet works. It helps you in research, it helps you in ranking, it gives you the perfect optimization, and it gives you AI every step of the way. Tuberank Jeet is gonna be your most favorite tool if you are a YouTuber. You're gonna use it every day, not just for uploading videos, not just for optimization, but also for your research. And I will see you on the inside. This is Cyril Gupta, your best